Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add page numbers in Word. Friends, normally we need to add page numbers to our documents. So in MS Word software, we can automatically number our pages very easily. In this video, I will show continue page numbers from starting and also show how to start page number from a particular page. In the Word document, click on Insert. Now here click on page number. From here you can select whether you want to show page numbers on the top of the pages or you want to show page numbers on the bottom of the page. And from here you can select the format. Now click on the document. Now friends, as you can see, now it has started showing page numbers on bottom of every page. So friends, like this you can very easily add page numbers to your existing documents in Word. Now friends, like this you can very easily add continuous page number automatically in Word software. Like this, if you want to start page number from a particular page, then continue on the video. Like in my current Word document, I need to start page number from page number 2 and want to give this page number 1. So to do that, I simply need to click on page layout. Now here I need to do a section break to next page. Now friends, we have divided our document in two sections. Now to insert page number, I need to click on insert. Now here click on page number. Now here I have inserted page number in the bottom of my page. Now I need to give this page number 1. So I need to click on page number again. And here in format page number, I need to click on start at and type page number 1. Then click on OK. Now friends, as you can see, we have inserted page number 1 in the middle of our Word document. Now later if you want, you can delete your blank page. Now in section 1 of our Word document, I will change it from numeric to alphabetic. Now I will show you how my documents look like. Now as you can see, we have 4 pages. Now our second page is given number 1. So friends, like this you can very easily start a specific page number from the middle of your Word document. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.